Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Nopila Andini with NPM 224120117 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will explain about understanding law and business law, which is an important part of the business world and everyday life. First of all, we need to understand what law is. In general, law is a system of binding rules that regulates human behavior in social life. Law serves as a regulatory tool to create order, justice, and certainty in human relationships. Without law, social life will be chaotic because there are no rules to serve as guidelines or signposts in actions. Law has two important roles, namely as a regulatory tool and as a guarantor of legal certainty. As a regulatory tool, law sets boundaries on what can and cannot be done by an individual in society. Meanwhile, as a tool for ensuring certainty, the law provides protection for the rights and obligations of each individual. The law itself has a very broad scope. In the context of economics and the business world, there is one branch of law that is very important, namely business law. Business law is the entire set of legal rules that govern all forms of commercial or business activities or transactions, whether conducted by individuals, companies, or other institutions. Business law is essentially a part of private law or civil law, as it regulates relationships between legal subjects that have equal standing. However, in practice, business law is also often related to public law, such as tax law, competition law, or even criminal law, if there are legal violations in business activities. Business law encompasses a wide range of aspects, starting from contract law, corporate law, consumer protection law, capital market law, insurance law, banking law, to intellectual property law. All these aspects are interconnected and form an integral part of the legal system that supports modern economic activities. Why is business law is important? Because in the business world, legal relationships occur all the time. For example, when two parties engage in sales transaction, when someone signs an employment agreement, when a company enters into a contract with a partner, or even when a business person advertises their products. All of these matters require legal certainty so that the rights and obligations of each party can be fairly protected. Business law is not only important for large business operators but also for small and medium-sized enterprises. By understanding business law, entrepreneurs can avoid legal risk, minimize conflicts, and run their business more professionally. In addition, understanding business law also makes entrepreneurs more prepared to face the increasingly complex economic dynamics, especially in the current era of globalization and digitalization. However, it should also be recognized that business law is dynamic. This means that the law continues to evolve along with change in time, societal needs, and technological advancements. Therefore, business operators and the general public must always update their knowledge about the new regulation in force so as not to fall behind and be able to adapt to regulatory change. In conclusion, we can summarize that law and business law are important foundations in ensuring order and certainty in business activities. By understanding business law, we not only become smart business actors but also capable of creating a healthy, fair, and ethical business climate. So that's the explain about understanding law and business law. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.